Our properties are well used. We just replace things when they break and keep our fingers crossed.
Hello, my name is Robert Nordland, and this is the reaction I get when I ask managers at clubs or rec centers about their long-term capital planning strategy. At a glance, waiting for building components like roofs and asphalt to fail may seem like a sound practice. Financial resources can be devoted to the organization's primary activities, while physical assets simply sit in the background and fulfill their intended purposes. When building failures occur, they often come as a big surprise, despite the fact that the remaining useful life and replacement costs of the major components are very predictable. Capital plans reveal the true cost of owning a facility. Fortunately, the art and science of creating plans of this nature has already been developed throughout the United States in the field of association-governed communities. The report's known as a reserve study, and industry professionals like me can earn a Reserve Specialist, or RS, certification. It's certainly true that capital assets are easy to forget about, but reacting after a failure often makes a project more expensive, like leaky roofs causing mold and interior damage, or asphalt parking lots requiring complete replacement instead of inexpensive maintenance. A well-crafted capital plan will tell you when the building's components will fail, how much it will cost to replace, and how much money you need to be setting aside. There are many rewards for being proactive. Money is saved by nipping problems in the bud, repairs and replacements can be made in a timely manner, and property values are preserved. A capital plan will give you the peace of mind that comes from knowing the truth about your property's future and being prepared. We'd love to partner with you in creating a capital plan for your organization. Please visit our website to request a free proposal.